Wait. So you told your boss you cooked dinner yesterday? Oh no, Max, tell me you corrected him.
I tried, but he looked so confident, Lily. He just smiled and said, "Yes, I cook." Like, buddy, that's not quite right.
Okay, everyone listening right now, have you ever talked about your day in English and felt like something was off? Like people understood you, but it just didn't sound natural?
Yeah, because here's the thing. Talking about your day is probably the most common thing you'll do in English. At work, with friends, on dates, in emails, everywhere.
And if you mess up the past tense, people notice. But don't worry.
Today, we're going to fix that forever.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to talk about your day like a native speaker. Easy, natural, and confident.
So stick with us because we're about to make past tense your superpower. Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Always amazing. Max, you're in a good mood today.
Well, yeah, because today's lesson is one of my favorites. We're teaching you how to talk about your day using past tense, and we're keeping it super simple.
And super practical, because honestly, this is the skill that changes everything. When you can talk about your day easily in English, suddenly conversations feel natural. You're not translating in your head anymore.
Exactly. So here's what we're covering today. First, we'll show you the most common mistakes learners make when talking about their day.
Then, we'll teach you the easy past tense patterns you need, the ones native speakers actually use.
We'll do some fun practice together. You'll repeat with us, answer questions, and by the end, you'll feel so much more confident.
And we've got a bonus tip at the very end, so don't skip ahead. Trust me, it's a game changer.
All right, let's jump in. Lily, tell me, what's the biggest mistake you hear when students talk about their day?
Oh, easy. It's forgetting to use past tense at all. Like they say, yesterday, I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast, I go to work. Everything is present tense.
Yes, and it's so common because in some languages, you don't change the verb. You just add a time word like yesterday, and that's enough.
Right, but in English, we have to change the verb. So it's not I wake up yesterday, it's I woke up yesterday.
Perfect. So let's start there. The most important thing when talking about your day, use past tense verbs.
Let me give you a simple example. Listen to this sentence. This morning, I woke up at 6:30. I made coffee. I checked my phone.
Beautiful. Notice how every verb changed? Woke, made, checked. All past tense.
Now you try. Say this out loud with me. I woke up at 7.
Come on, don't be shy. Say it out loud. I woke up at 7.
Good. Now try I made breakfast.
I made breakfast. One more. I checked my email.
I checked my email. Nice job. See, you're already doing it.
Now, Lily, let's talk about the two types of past tense verbs because this makes it way easier to remember.
Ooh, yes. Okay, so we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. Let's start with regular because they're super easy.
Regular verbs are the ones that just add ed at the end, like walk, walked, watch, watched, play, played.
So if you want to say what you did yesterday, just think of the action and add ed. Simple, right?
Let me give you some examples from my day. Yesterday, I walked to the gym. I worked for 5 hours. I cooked pasta for dinner.
See? Walked, worked, cooked. All regular, all easy.
Now you try. Think about yesterday. Did you walk anywhere? Then say, I walked to.
Maybe you walked to the store, or to work, or to a friend's house. Just fill it in.
And did you watch anything? A movie, a show, a video? Say, I watched.
Come on, out loud. I watched Netflix. I watched YouTube. Whatever it was.
Good. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. Irregular verbs.
Irregular verbs, the ones that don't follow the rules.
Yeah, these are verbs that don't just add ed, they completely change, like go, went, eat, ate, sleep, slept.
I know, it sounds annoying, but actually the most common verbs in English are irregular, and you already know a lot of them.
That's true. Think about it. You probably already know go, went, come, came, see, saw, have, had.
So let's practice those. Repeat after me. I went to the store.
I went to the store. Next, I ate lunch at noon.
I ate lunch at noon. One more. I saw my friend.
I saw my friend. Perfect. You're doing amazing.
Okay, so now you know the two types. Regular verbs, just add ed, like walked, worked, watched.
Irregular verbs change completely, like went, ate, saw, had.
And honestly, the more you practice talking about your day, the more natural these will become. You won't even have to think about it.
Exactly. So let's put this into a real situation. Max, tell me about your morning. What did you do?
Okay, so this morning I woke up at 6. I drank some water, super important, Lily. Gotta hydrate.
Yes, very impressive. Go on.
Then I took a shower, got dressed, and I ate some toast with eggs. After that, I drove to the studio, and here I am.
Perfect. Did you hear all those past tense verbs? Woke, drank, took, got, ate, drove. Some regular, some irregular, but all correct. Now, Lily, your turn. Tell me about your morning.
All right. I woke up at 6:30. I made coffee. I can't function without coffee, Max.
I believe you.
Then I did some yoga, I read a book for 20 minutes, and I came to the studio. Pretty chill morning.
Nice. Okay, now, listeners, it's your turn. Think about your morning. What did you do?
Did you wake up early or late? Did you eat breakfast? Did you exercise? Did you check your phone?
Pause the video right now and say 3 sentences out loud about your morning. Use past tense.
We'll wait. Seriously, try it.
Okay, how did that feel? Weird at first, maybe, but easier than you thought, right?
That's the secret, everyone. You just have to start talking, even if it's just to yourself.
All right, let's move on to a super important part. Time words.
Oh, yes, because when you talk about your day, you need to tell people when things happened.
Exactly. So let's learn the most common time words for past tense.
First one, yesterday. Super simple. Yesterday, I went to the gym.
Next, this morning. This morning, I had coffee.
Then we have last night. Last night, I watched a movie.
You can also say last week, last month, last year. Just put last before the time.
For example, last week, I visited my parents. Last month, I started a new job.
And here's a good one. Ago, like 2 hours ago, 3 days ago, a week ago.
I ate lunch 2 hours ago. I finished work an hour ago. See how that works?
So now you have all the tools. Past tense verbs plus time words equals talking about your day like a pro.
Let's do a quick example together. I'll say the time word and you finish the sentence. Ready?
Today.
Fill it in. What did you do today? Maybe today I worked or today I relaxed.
Good. Next. This morning I...
Come on, this morning I woke up early, or this morning I made breakfast.
One more. Last night I...
Last night I studied English, we hope.
All right, you're getting the hang of this.
Okay, pause for a second, Max. We need to talk about the mistake that drives me crazy.
Oh, I know which one you mean.
It's when students use did wrong, like they say, I did went to the store.
Yes, or I didn't went. Oh man, I hear this all the time.
So let's fix this right now, because if you're making this mistake, your English will never sound natural.
Okay, here's the rule. When you use did or didn't, you do not change the verb. The verb stays in the base form.
So it's not I did went, it's I went. Simple past, no did.
And in negative sentences, it's not I didn't went, it's I didn't go.
See the difference? Didn't already shows past tense, so the verb stays as go, not went.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I didn't go to work yesterday.
I didn't go to work yesterday. Good. Next, I didn't eat breakfast this morning.
I didn't eat breakfast this morning. Perfect.
And for questions, same rule. It's did you go, not did you went.
Right. Did you eat? Not did you ate.
Let's try a few. Repeat. Did you watch the game?
Did you watch the game? Next, did you finish your homework?
Did you finish your homework? Excellent.
Okay, so remember, with did or didn't, the verb stays in base form. Don't change it.
All right, now that we've got that cleared up, let's have some fun.
It's time for a mini role play. We're going to practice a real conversation.
Imagine you're talking to a coworker. It's Monday morning and they ask, "How was your weekend?"
This is one of the most common questions in English, so you need to be ready.
Let's show you a good answer first. Max, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was great. On Saturday, I went hiking with some friends. We saw some beautiful views. Then on Sunday, I stayed home and relaxed. I watched some movies and cooked a nice dinner.
Perfect. See how natural that sounds? He used past tense, he gave details, and he sounded interesting.
Now, Lily, how was your weekend?
It was good. I went shopping on Saturday morning, I bought some new clothes, then I met a friend for coffee. On Sunday, I cleaned my apartment and did some work.
Nice. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Think about last weekend. What did you do?
Did you go anywhere? Did you see anyone? Did you do anything fun or relaxing?
Pause the video and answer out loud. My weekend was, on Saturday, on Sunday, I.
Go ahead, we'll wait.
Okay, how was that? Fun, right?
And the more you practice this, the easier it gets. Soon you won't even have to think about past tense. It'll just flow.
All right, let's do one more practice. This time, we'll give you a situation and you answer.
Ready? Here's the situation. You're at a party. Someone asks, "What did you do today?"
Think about your answer. Maybe you worked, maybe you studied, maybe you exercised.
Now say it out loud. Today I...
Come on. Today I worked from home. Or today I went to the gym.
Great. One more situation. A friend texts you and asks, "Did you eat yet?"
How do you answer? If yes, say, "Yes, I ate already." If no, say, "No, I didn't eat yet."
Try both. First, yes, I ate already.
Yes, I ate already. Now, no, I didn't eat yet.
No, I didn't eat yet. Perfect.
See, you're getting so much better already.
Okay, we've covered a lot today. Let's do a quick recap so you remember everything.
First, when you talk about your day, always use past tense verbs.
Regular verbs just add ed, like walked, worked, watched.
Irregular verbs change completely, like went, ate, saw, had.
Second, use time words to say when things happened. Yesterday, this morning, last night, 2 hours ago.
Third, with did or didn't, the verb stays in base form. Don't say did went or didn't went.
And finally, practice talking about your day every single day, even if it's just to yourself.
Because that's how you get fluent, by using what you learn, not just listening.
And honestly, talking about your day is the easiest way to practice English. You're just describing what happened.
No pressure, no grammar tests, just real, natural conversation.
So before we wrap up, let me ask you this. What's one thing you did today that you can say in past tense right now?
Maybe, I woke up at 7, or I drank coffee, or I watched YouTube.
Say it out loud right now. Don't skip this.
Seriously, pause and say it. Today, I...
Good! And now do that every day. When you're walking, driving, cooking, just talk to yourself in English about what you did.
It might feel weird at first, but trust us, it works.
Oh, and one more thing before we finish. Max, should we tell them the bonus tip?
Yes. Okay, everyone, stay till the end because we're about to give you a secret trick that native speakers use all the time.
This one tip will make you sound so much more natural when talking about your day.
Ready?
Here it is. Don't only use past tense when you talk about your day. Mix it with present perfect for things that are still relevant.
Okay, that sounds complicated, but it's not. Let me explain.
When you're talking about something you did earlier but it's still affecting now, you can use I've plus past participle.
For example, instead of I ate lunch, you can say I've already eaten lunch.
Or instead of I finished my work, you can say I finished my work.
See the difference? I've already eaten means I ate and I'm still full right now.
I finished my work means I finished and now I'm free.
This is super common in native English. You'll hear it all the time.
So when someone asks, "Did you eat yet?" you can answer, "Yeah, I've already eaten."
Or if someone asks, "Did you finish that?" you can say, "Yes, I finished it."
This makes your English sound more advanced and natural, but don't worry if it's confusing right now. Just focus on simple past tense first.
Exactly. Master past tense, then add present perfect later. Baby steps.
All right, everyone, that's a wrap. We covered a lot today, and I'm so proud of you for sticking with us.
Seriously, if you practiced out loud with us, you're already ahead of most learners.
Because here's the truth. Most people just listen to English lessons. They don't actually practice.
But you did. You repeated. You answered. You participated. That's how you get fluent.
So keep going. Tomorrow, talk about your day again, and the next day, and the next.
It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be practice.
And remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't be afraid to sound silly sometimes.
Yeah, I sound silly all the time, and I'm a native speaker.
That's true. So here's what we want you to do.
First, leave us a comment. Tell us one thing you did today in past tense. We'll read them and we might even reply.
Second, practice this lesson by talking to yourself, your friends, or even your pet. Just use past tense.
And third, subscribe if you haven't already. We release new lessons like this every week and we don't want you to miss them.
Next week, we're teaching you how to talk about your plans for the future so you can talk about yesterday, today, and tomorrow fluently.
That's going to be a good one. We'll see you there.
Thanks for learning with us today. You're doing amazing, and we believe in you.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, English is a journey, not a race.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.